So the only thing left is our mappings. So let's go under mapping under processor. And now let's take a look at the sources here. We have name, description, and image. If we go to our CSV file, we have title instead of name, so we'll need to change that. We have stub instead of description, so we'll have to change that too. Image looks like it's the same name, so we could reuse that mapping. I'm going to jump back to the browser, and let's delete name, and let's delete description, and click Save. Okay, so if we jump back to our CSV file, I'm going to copy the title label here, and we'll paste it under name of source field. And for the target, we'll make that the title. And let's click Add. Now let's jump back to the CSV file. We have stub. I'm going to copy that, and then jump over to the browser, paste it into the name of the source field, and we'll select body as the destination. And I'll click Add. Now I'll jump back to the CSV file, and we have author, so I'll copy that label, jump back to the browser, paste it into name of source field here, and for the target, we'll select username, and click Add. I'm going to go back to our CSV file, and now we have tags. So I'll copy tags, jump back to the browser, paste it into the name of the source field, select the target, in this case it's going to be tags, and click Add. And now we already have image, so if we look at our CSV file, we should be good to go. So now this is the 4th time that we've imported content using the feeds module. And you can see that by now, we're really familiar with the basic settings of the importer. And as we're creating the mappings, it sounds like we're doing the same task over and over again with slight variations, which we are. So again, this is one of the costs of being a site builder, is that once you become familiar with the tools, it becomes a little tedious to fill out forms over and over again. But again, just remember the incredible power that we're wielding by using this tool instead of creating this from scratch. And really, it's not all that bad. We're going to be importing several pieces of content with numerous fields, all in one fell swoop. All we had to do was create mappings for each field. We don't have to manually import every piece of content. So this is actually saving us on time and tediousness because it allows us to import multiple pieces of content at one time.